We'll go ahead and get started. So go ahead and move to the front of your chair. We'll warm up our core a little bit. We'll just do some gentle trunk twists. You can leave that can on the side. We'll use that guy in just a second. But for now, just get a little bit of loosening through that core. See how our body's feeling today. Very nice. And relax. Good. From there, we'll just do some arm circles. Start with some small ones. Good time to check and make sure you got plenty of space so you're not bumping into the person beside you. Good. Slightly bigger circles now. Still keeping that good posture through your whole body, going as big as you can with those circles without pain. Good. And then as big as you can, nice round circles all the way up and down and around. Good. Big, 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 big. Rotate and relax. Good. Next one, reaches to the ground, reaches to the sky, legs spread apart nice and far. We're going to actively let our body sag down until we touch the ground as low as we can. And then we're going to sit up nice and tall and stretch our body, get a good lengthening all the way to the top. Good. 5 more of these down. Hold all the way up. Big far reach. Make sure we're breathing. Down, touch. Good, all the way up, big reach, stretch that body. 2 more here, all the way down. Good, and up, big far reach. 1 more time, all the way down. Good, all the way up. Hold this position at the top. We're gonna get a big stretch to the side. Good, other side, nice and easy. Good, hold down, come from there. We'll go ahead and warm up our ankles a little bit. Stick 1 foot out, get a nice little roll with that ankle. Warm those guys up. You can even kind of move your toes around in that same position. Get all those little muscles that are often neglected warmed up too. Very nice. Other side, same thing. Nice big rotation here. Working those little muscles in our toes as well. Perfect. All right. Hip circles next. Good posture position. We're going to pick a kind of conservative speed here. Not too fast, not too slow. Going to move that hip joint all the way around, nice and carefully, nice and easily here. If there is pain, of course, try to go a little bit more shallow in those circles. We're trying to move in as big of a circle as we can without pain. Go ahead and switch sides here. Same concept, opposite direction. See how your body's feeling. And if it's feeling kind of iffy, just remind yourself it's okay. Day to day, our pain tolerance is very variable. Very nice. Go ahead and relax from there. Next, we'll move into some alternating leg extensions here. Kicking that leg out back and forth, just focusing on squeezing that thigh, getting a nice straight leg in each position through this movement, back and forth here. Really just actively, when I'm doing this specifically, I literally am thinking squeeze and hold, trying to really get some good knee mobility through this position. Because for a lot of us, our knees get weak to the point where it kind of gets painful even to do this. So we're trying to build up that strength through those tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue. Good. Go ahead and relax. Okay, from here, we're going to do a little bit of strengthening drill with that same kind of movement. So how this is going to work is you're actually going to grab in front of your knee. And in this position, you're going to actively try to kick out, okay? But the catch is, since you're holding in front of your knee, you're going to be kicking out against your hand, okay? So you're going to be pulling back with your muscles. You'll feel it with your back muscles while you're kicking out, okay? So if I let go of my leg's gonna go flying. That's kind of the concept, okay? Grab in front, ready, set, go. We're gonna push against it as hard as you can without pain, right? If you start feeling pain, ease off the gas pedal. Ease off the, what's that? You are pulling back with your arms, kicking forward with your legs. Yep. Good. Keep breathing. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Excellent job. Other side, go ahead, grab the front again, lock yourself in. You are kicking out, trying to straighten that knee while pulling back with your arms. Ready, set, go. Pull with those arms. Push with that leg. We got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and relax. Excellent job, everyone. Very, very nice. All right, we're going to do a core strengthening exercise to work our obliques next. You're going to be reaching towards this direction, okay? So everyone on the same page, this direction, this way. Yes, good. All right, cool. Go ahead and put this arm out. What we're going to do is actively reach as if you're trying to, and if you actually can touch the person beside you, please don't, but you're trying to think like you're touching the person beside you. So here's the catch. The more they reach, the more you're going to have to reach. So you can really make this tough. If you're reaching towards the wall, just imagine as if somebody's there, and keep reaching, good. So through this, try to keep your gaze forward, just reaching through the core. We got 5 more seconds. Keep reaching, keep breathing. Very nice, relax. Same concept, other direction. There it goes. Other direction, same thing. Big reach, trying to keep your gaze forward. It's easier to do this if you look to the side, so I really want to try to have you challenge your torso and hip mobility. Keep looking straight at me, keep reaching forward. Let's try to get a little bit more of a reach all together here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Very, very nice. Okay, so we are going to do one more little warm-up here. Hands are going to be together, and this one is going to get your lower back nice and fired up. Forward, then you're going to go into what I call our diver's pose, so you're actively reaching as far forward as you can. You are looking up towards the sky, thinking about rounding your lower back in this position, opening yourself up, taking a big breath in through that belly. Good. Keep reaching, keep holding. Feel that lower back work. All the way back. Now we are going to pull as hard as we can, almost as if there's ropes pulling us forward. We're going to use our strength. You might even feel a little bit of rigidity here. Keep pulling back. Pinch those shoulder blades now as hard as you can. Pull those ropes back towards your body. Keep holding, keep breathing, keep breathing. Be strong here. And relax. Good. Release it.